Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another quick little project share, working on some Christmas projects using the new Kscraft dies. This first one is like a crayon style flip box or cigarette box, whatever you want to call it. This is what I did. I used the Merry Days paper collection. I cut the base out in 110-pound pink cardstock, and it just flips open like this. I did embellish the front a lot, so you kind of just got to push it down in between the layers. This sweater weather is also from their shop. I cut it out in a really pretty gold glitter, and just got some Snowflake little flat back cabochons. These are from My Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I know she's sold out. I'll see if I can find something similar. And then look at this cute little gingerbread. This was gifted to me. Same with this candy cane, but they are both dies from AliExpress as well. Look how cute. And then I added a little jingle bell to the collar. These are some like cookie cutters from Hobby Lobby. And I think this turned out super cute. This guy is 3 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. And let's go there, about 1 inch wide, a little over 1 inch wide. So you could fit a good decent amount of stuff in here. Let's see. Nope, paint's too big. But for size reference, that's what it is. Super cute. Love this die. The next one is this one. It comes with a mama and a baby version. These are heart rosettes, and it does come with a layering piece that you could put on to, like glued onto this piece to make like a tune tone heart. But I actually cut mine out all in the same color, so that didn't work for me. So I left that layering piece off. This is the first one right here. As you can see, it's the pink heart in like a shimmer paper. And you just glue the two end pieces together like this. Like you don't layer them on top of each other like a traditional rosette. You kind of just butt them up like this towards each other. And make sure they're fully dry before you try to, do the TP and push down on it. So there's that. And I just used some die cuts that were gifted to me in the group swap. Literally all of these. These straws are from Joann's, and then these little pom-poms are from Joann's as well last year, just to make a cute little rosette wand. And then the other one, I did the same thing. This is the smaller heart. So the smaller heart is about 2.5 inches wide, and then the bigger heart, 3.25 inches wide on the widest part. This one, again, I used the little die cuts that were gifted to me, all sorts of die cuts, and then I backed them on the Dollar Tree snowflakes. So this one's just like an embellishment, and then this one got turned into a wand, which I would add jingle bells to, like price string right here, and then tie some jingle bells. That is it for my design team project shares, and I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.